Hello guys, welcome to Technotrends. In the last video we have seen how to write the data into the files using swings. The components we have kept onto the JFrame. The components are password field and text field. Okay, and today we are going to look at how to read the data in from the file we have created earlier. Okay, using object input stream as well as the file input stream. Okay, so for that purpose, okay, we are going to look at how to read in the data. Okay, so this is to be happen when we are going to click on the login button. So we are going to have more than 1 2 3 4 5 and n number of employee objects onto my login details.dat file. Okay, so when that is the case, this boolean flag variable will be used. Because whenever I'm going to find out a entry with the username and password entered by the user in my file, then the flag will be set to true and it will be stopped execution. It will be stopping the execution of the program. Okay, and it is going to say that the login successful, and we'll move on to the next frame, second frame.java. Okay, so for that purpose we are going to use the boolean flag variable here. And next thing is I need to have the file input stream. Okay, fin new file input stream of file. The file is, I have already taken the file name here. Okay, login details.dat. okay, so this is the thing. So here also I need to mention the same way, file is equal to new file of login details.dat. okay, next, object out input stream OIS is equal to new object input stream of FIS. Sorry, FIN. Okay, next I'm going to have the array list of employee, okay, AL, to read in the data from the file. Okay, along with this I'm going to have the string uname, which is to be read from the frame. Okay, text field dot get text. Okay, and string pwd is equal to password field dot get text. Okay, next, if I'm going to have the data in my login details.dat, then I need to continue the execution of the some statements. The statements which are going to include is, I'm going to reading the data into array list and convert into object of the employee, and then I'm going to find out whether the data from the employee class I have taken here are equivalent with the username and I have password I have entered into the text box and password box. Okay, so while AL is equal to array list of, okay, so OIS dot read object. If these are not equal to null, then there is a data in my file. There is a data in my file. When there is no data, it is going to return some null value. Okay, and next I'm going to have one employee object. E is equal to, okay, al dot get of 0. The array list value is going to have the first element as the employee object. Okay, now if uname dot equals ignore case of e1 dot get uname and pwd dot equals of e1 dot get pwd. Why? I need to check it out with the uname and password which I have entered along with the data against the data which I have in my frame. Okay, and next I'm going to have a flag variable to be true. Okay, and I'm going to make the loop to be break, else flag is equal to false. Okay, done. If flag, then I'm going to show a J option pane which shows a message dialog on the frame dot login successful. Else I'm going to show a message called login failed. And I need to have a catch block also here. The catch block for exception A, which is going to print the stack trace. Right. Any mistakes here? No. Right. I'm going to check it out whether login is being successful or not. Chaitu and Chaitu and click on login. So the login successful. And when I'm not going to have, and now we are going to find out the flag. We have displayed a message here over here. Okay, now but this is not actually what we need to do. What we want is, okay, we need to go for the second frame. Yeah, so the second frame will be gone with the help of first we need to have a second frame here, so control N. Okay, and the same application window I have taken. Okay, and the frame, my class name is second frame. Done. Okay, so in the second frame I need to have my design. Okay, it is designing. Okay, so the parsing will be done for the time. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have here a label to display a welcome message to the user, right? Before absolute layout, okay, letter label, okay, which is going to be spanned for all the screen over here, all right, okay. And now the source, okay, I have a second frame constructor here. Along with this default constructor, I'm going to have one more frame constructor, second frame, with a name which we are going to send from the first frame here. Okay, so this dot name is equal to name. That means I should have a variable here, private string name, okay. And later I need to call the initialize method, okay, and which is a public, right. And the initialize is going to contain as usually the label and all the things, okay. And here when something happen, the label, new label dot set text, okay, welcome Mr. or Miss plus name. Alright, so this is what I'm going to have in my second frame. And now I need to forward data from the first frame to the second frame, okay. So I need to create an object for the second frame of the uname, okay. And here I need to mention frame dot set visible false, because it will not be shown here, okay. Let me check out, right. So when I have Chaitu and click on the login button, excuse me, yeah, actually the second frame here I haven't mentioned frame dot set visible true, okay. Let me show, control F11, Chaitu login. So welcome Mr. or Miss Chaitu. This is what we are going to get from the user when the user has entered the correct one. And again I'm going to have one more, username Ravi and password Ravi, and register successfully, and Ravi login, welcome Mr. or Miss Ravi. So this is how we are going to read in the username and password from the file, and it will check against the entered values in the frame, and if they are matching, then it will move on to the next frame. Otherwise it will move on to the, it will display login failed message. And so like this we are going to create a login page, or we will transverse from one frame to the other frame using Sphinx. And this is the thing. Thank you very much guys, and meet you with the next video. Thank you.